In this tutorial, you will be learning how to make popsicle stick flashlights. When you receive your kit in the mail, it should look something like this. In your kit, you will find one popsicle stick, one LED light, one binder clip, one coin cell battery, 2 pieces of copper tape, and one big strip of tape. First, you're going to need your popsicle stick and your binder clip. You will pull back the clasps on the binder clip, pinch it open, and attach it to the bottom. It should look something like this. Next, you will need one piece of copper tape. You will take that piece of copper tape and place it on one side of the popsicle stick. It was a little tricky getting this on there. Just be patient and take your time. It should now look like this. Now you will take the other piece of copper tape, apply the tape to the other side of the popsicle stick. If there is any excess copper tape, make sure you cut it off. Both sides should now have copper tape. The tape should not overlap each other at the top. There should be a little bit of space. Next, you'll need your coin cell battery. On the positive side, place that side down directly onto the copper tape. Next, take some regular tape and secure the coin cell battery on the popsicle stick. Make sure you don't completely cover the coin cell battery in tape. It should now look like this. Now you will take your LED light and place it on top of your popsicle stick. Go ahead and put the binder clasp down and check to see if your LED lights up. You want to secure your LED light by putting tape around it. Make sure it's on there tight so the light can stay on. You have now completed the popsicle stick flashlight. You can turn it on and off by using the binder clip clasp. Like previously stated, if the tape isn't on there tight enough, the light may have problems lighting up. If you're having a hard time getting your LED light to light up, you might need to check the connections on your coin cell battery. The shorter end typically goes on the negative side. As you see, if it's not on the right side, the LED light will not light up. When we turn on our flashlights, we complete our circuit. Our circuit must be complete to allow the flow of electricity. Our copper tape provides a pathway for electricity to flow. Can you guess what electricity is made out of? The answer is electrons! Let's further explain what electrons are. Electrons are part of an atom. The atom contains the center part, which is called a nucleus. In the nucleus, we can find protons and neutrons. Electrons are what surround the nucleus and are constantly in motion. Protons are dictated as red and have a positive charge. Neutrons are dictated as green and have a neutral charge. Electrons are blue and have a negative charge. It's important to note that all matter is made up of atoms. Our circuit allows flow between the positive and negative sides of the battery. Our copper tape connects to the positive and negative sides to the battery. To complete our circuit, the LED light connections need to touch the copper tape. Lastly, the binder clasp needs to be in the on position. When the clasp is pulled down to the off position, the flashlight turns off. This is due to the circuit being broken. You will have an open circuit and the electrons will not flow. Why are circuits important? Take a moment to think about what other things in your house use circuits. Lights? Your TV and refrigerator are amongst some of the many things that use circuits. Circuits are important and essential for our daily routines.